We're all farmers. We grew up, my grandparents were farmers, more on the cattle end of it, and had some milking cows. We had some construction background in my family. My dad did drywall for 33 years with my uncle, so I've kind of been in the same construction, manufacturing my whole life. I actually went to school for graphic design, and during a recession, I was looking for a job. My cousin worked here, so he knew I knew how to weld out of high school, welded on the farm, but I needed to have a certification in order to weld here. So he said, hey, we're hiring up here, so why don't you apply? So I went to Linus training here, got my certifications, and then joined CNH back in 2011. I'm a weld team lead here, so my job is different every single day. So some days I'm actually a welder on the floor. Next day I'm out helping get parts. I'm organizing things to make sure that we keep on sequences. 5S'ing areas, keeping things clean, stuff like that. So it can kind of change day to day what I get to do. My favorite thing is actually being able to do different things every day. I love seeing the final product coming from farmers. I want to make sure everything is pristine when I leave. So when I'm welding, I make sure that it be a product that I want to buy. So it's fun to see it go from a flat sheet of steel all the way to the tractors that are behind us, all in one plan. So it's pretty nice to see that. So yeah, I have a 5-year-old daughter, 4-year-old son. They actually really love that I do tractors because they get a ride in my dad's tractor all the time. So anytime we go by a tractor or go by the plant on the road, they're like, hey Dad, there's where you work. They've actually got the opportunity to come here during a couple of our events and ride in a quad track. And they were just having a heyday. They got to tour the plant with me, got to see where I work, stuff like that, and they love that. Well, as of right now, I'm kind of where I want to be as a team lead. To go higher up from here, it'd be more on the salary end of it. Maybe a spot in the safety team if one comes available. There's opportunity for me to become a supervisor if I want to. So there's opportunities to grow, but as of right now, I'm kind of where I want to be. So I'm gonna stay as a team lead. So yeah, this place, you end up becoming family. You honestly see a lot of these people more than you see your family some days when we're super busy. So I've made a lot of great friends here. Honestly, some of my best friends are here now. I hang out with them outside of work. You can hang out here and BS during lunch. So it's kind of nice being able to make friends here and not just be coworkers. So I was like, well, for a short term, I'll come up here, see if I like it. I became to really enjoy it here. I was here for 14 years now. So yeah, went from short term, maybe a couple years, to now I'm gonna make a career out of it, and I hope to retire here.